Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. If you're looking for the best 4K camera drone in 2026, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 drones that deliver outstanding camera quality, flight performance, stabilization, GPS precision, and overall value. Whether you're a traveler, content creator, real estate photographer, or drone enthusiast, there's a perfect option for you on this list. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have the L600 Pro Max GPS drone. This drone is designed for beginners who want advanced features without spending a premium price. The aircraft comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal system that helps reduce vibrations and improves video stability during flight. Its brushless motor technology provides smoother operation, increased durability, and greater wind resistance compared to traditional brushed motors. The integrated GPS system allows accurate positioning, safer flights, and reliable return-to-home functionality. A standout feature is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, helping pilots navigate with more confidence. For budget-conscious buyers entering the world of aerial photography, the L600 Pro Max offers impressive functionality and strong overall value. Coming in at number 4 is the Mini 4K GPS drone. This compact drone delivers an excellent balance between portability and performance. One of its most attractive features is its impressive 10-kilometer video transmission capability, allowing pilots to capture footage from extended distances. The drone also offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving users more opportunities to record cinematic content without constantly changing batteries. Its GPS navigation system enhances flight stability while helping maintain precise positioning. For travelers, outdoor adventurers, and content creators who need long-range performance in a compact design, this drone is a compelling choice. Taking the 3rd position is the Potensic Atom Mini drone. Potensic has earned a strong reputation for producing reliable and user-friendly drones, and the Atom continues that tradition. This model features a professional 3-axis gimbal that provides exceptionally smooth footage even during dynamic flight maneuvers. The built-in GPS system improves navigation accuracy and flight safety. With a transmission range of up to 6 kilometers, users can confidently explore and capture breathtaking aerial perspectives. The lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, while its brushless motor system delivers dependable performance and longer operational life. For creators seeking a trusted brand and polished flying experience, the Potensic Atom is a smart investment.
At number 2, we have the powerful Potensic ATM2. This drone introduces several premium features that make it one of the most advanced compact drones available in 2026. It captures stunning 4K HDR video and detailed 8K photos, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional image clarity. The professional 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth stabilization for cinematic quality footage. We especially love its AI-powered tracking capabilities, which automatically follow subjects while maintaining precise framing. Another major advantage is its AI night shot technology, helping users capture cleaner and brighter footage in low-light environments. The ATM2 also supports vertical shooting, making it ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. With a transmission range reaching 10 kilometers and a lightweight sub-249-gram design, this drone offers premium performance in an incredibly portable package. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best 4K camera drone of 2026 is the FIMI Mini 3. This drone combines professional-grade imaging, intelligent flight technology, and exceptional portability into one impressive package. The FIMI Mini 3 records smooth 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, producing highly detailed and professional-looking footage. Its advanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides outstanding stabilization, even when flying in challenging conditions. Weighing only 249 grams, it's incredibly travel-friendly, while still delivering premium-level performance. The drone features AI-powered smart tracking, allowing it to automatically follow moving subjects with remarkable accuracy. Its Super Night video technology further expands creative possibilities by improving low-light image quality. Combined with a transmission range of up to 9 kilometers, the FIMI Mini 3 offers one of the most complete drone experiences available today. For overall camera quality, flight performance, intelligent features, and value, the FIMI Mini 3 earns our top spot. And that's our top 5 best 4K camera drones in 2026. Which drone did you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching Global Deal Explorer. We'll see you in the next video.